children. Today I am going to explain about mineral nutrition in plants. According to the recent view of plant physiologists, the first principle of Arnold's criteria essential of elements. 16 elements are provided to be essential for plant growth. Following are essential elements. So, are elements needed by a plant to promote healthy tissue, process and growth. When plants are lacking in nutrition, have a deficiency and may have a number of symptoms. They will have a stunted appearance. It means they not plant grow. Pale green or yellow color. What is chlorosis? What is mean by chlorosis? The lack of chlorophyll is called chlorosis. May develop initially, but coloring can be released to the nutrient that is lacking. A generally appearance of being unhealthy. Macro elements. Elements that a plant needs in large amount to live as known as macro elements. The essential elements are considered as a macronutrients. These are 9 types: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. There are 9 essential elements in macronutrients. First of all, I discuss about nitrogen and phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, the process of conversion of nitrogen into nitrogenous is termed as a nitrogen fixation. In the environment, nitrogen exists in both inorganic and organic. These forms undergo different transformation, changing from one form to another by physiological and biological. Nitrogen is an essential element for all the living organisms. It is required for growth and other activities of plants. Promotes growth of leaves and stems, gives dark green color and improves quality of foliage. Necessary to develop cell proteins and chlorophyll. Deficiency noted when leaves are a sick yellow or green color, short stems, small leaves, pale colored leaves and flowers. Slow and dwarfed plant growth is nitrogen symptoms. And another also nitrogen symptoms is there. Phosphorus stimulates early formation and growth of fruits, provides fast and vigorous growth and speeds maturity, stimulates flowering and seed development.